Good morning, children. Here is the recapitulation video of Chapter 9, Reaching Places, and Chapter 13, Symbols of Unity. Both these chapters are of periodic test 2. So we will revise both these chapters through this video today. Let's start. Map. What is map? In this picture, map of India and the world map is shown. What is map? Map is the drawing of a place on a flat surface. किसी भी प्लेस को, वो प्लेस जो है वो सिटी हो सकती है, स्टेट हो सकती है, कंट्री हो सकती है, कॉन्टिनेंट हो सकता है या पूरा वर्ल्ड हो सकता है, उसको ड्रॉ करना एक फ्लैट सरफेस के ऊपर, उसको मैप बोलते हैं. इन दिस पिक्चर यू कैन सी मैप ऑफ इंडिया एंड द वर्ल्ड मैप. Maps are of various types. We will discuss three types of maps: political maps, physical maps, and thematic maps. Political maps are those maps which show the states and the national boundaries of that country. In this picture, you can see the political map of India. This map is showing the boundary of the states, union territories, and the national boundaries of India. On the right hand side, on the right bottom side, you can see the key is there. In that key, 28 states and 8 union territories are shown with the help of the black dot. राइट एंड द कंट्री की जो बाउंड्री है, जो स्टेट बाउंड्रीज है, कंट्री की बाउंड्रीज है, उसको व्हाइट लाइन से शो किया गया है. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, राजस्थान है, राजस्थान की जहां राजस्थान का जो एरिया है, बाउंड्री है, वो व्हाइट लाइन शो कर रही है. गुजरात की बाउंड्री व्हाइट लाइन शो कर रही है. महाराष्ट्र की बाउंड्री आप देख सकते हो व्हाइट लाइन शो कर रही है. सो these are political map. They show the boundaries of the states or the national boundaries of the country. Thematic maps. Thematic maps are those maps which show some certain features. They show the certain features like the rainfall, vegetation, national parks, etc. And the third is physical maps. Physical maps are those maps which show the physical features of that place. जिस place का map है वहाँ के physical features show करने like rivers, mountains, lakes, forest, etc. और ये सब डिफरेंट कलर से रिप्रेजेंट किए जाते हैं. जैसे कि इंडिया के मैप में नीचे राइट हैंड साइड बॉटम पे यू कैन सी द red dot is showing the country capital, and the capital of India is Delhi. You can see in the picture Delhi. In front of Delhi there is red dot, and the state and the union territories are shown with the black dot. So this is the key. Second map is world map. World map, the whole earth is divided into 7 continents and 5 oceans. In the world map, 7 continents are shown with the green color, and the 5 water bodies called oceans are shown with the blue color. So let's start with the continents. First continent is North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. These all 7 continents are shown with the green color. Now 5 oceans shown with the blue color are, starting from the top, Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Southern Ocean. So the whole earth is divided into 7 continents and 5 oceans. This is the map of world. Next is Atlas. You can see the picture of Atlas. Atlas is a book of maps. एक book होती है जिसमें different maps होते हैं. Cartography, the art of drawing a map. और मैप को ड्रॉ करने का जो आर्ट है उसको हम कार्टोग्राफी बोलते हैं. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल द आर्ट ऑफ टेकिंग फोटोग्राफ्स इज नोन एज द फोटोग्राफी. Similarly, the art of drawing a map is cartography. Next term is cartographer. The person who draws a map is called a cartographer. जो person maps draw करता है उसको हम cartographer बोलते हैं. Similarly, a person who takes a photographs is known as the photographer. You can match this with this example. It will be easy for you to learn. Now symbols. मैप्स के ऊपर जो डिफरेंट प्लेसेस हैं और डिफरेंट फिजिकल फीचर्स हैं, दे आर शोन विद द डिफरेंट साइंस, पिक्चर्स और कलर्स, एंड दोज आर नोन एज द सिंबल्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, ऑन ए मैप, इफ वी वांट टू शो द airport, we draw the symbol of aeroplane. If we want to show the service station, we draw the symbol of service station. ठीक है. Similarly, other pictures you can see here, all these pictures, they come under symbols. Other symbols are colors for the landforms. Different landforms are shown with different colors on a map. For example, the water bodies on a map are shown with blue color. You can see in the first picture. Plains are shown with green color. Mountains are shown with brown color. Plateaus, second picture, plateaus are shown with dark yellow color. And the last picture, deserts are shown with light yellow color. So these colors also come under symbols. Next term is plan. What is plan actually? Plan kya hai? To draw a plan, to draw, it is a drawing of a small area by using a scale. ड्रॉ करना एक किसी भी जगह को by using a scale. Scale means measurement. For example, if we have to construct a mall or a skyscraper, first the plan is built. That plan is made by measuring. So plan is the drawing of a place which is drawn with the help of a scale. Proper measurements are there. Next is sketch. Sketch is the rough drawing of a place. Sketch में हम कोई scale, कोई measurement use नहीं करते हैं. So sketch is a rough drawing of a scale. No measurement is used here. In the picture, you can see the sketch of a church, mosque, temples, gurudwara, etc. Next are directions. In the picture, you can see there are total 8 directions. 4 main directions are there, and those 4 main directions are called cardinal directions. Those cardinal directions, those 4 cardinal directions are east, west, north, and south. But in between these 4 cardinal directions, there are 4 other directions, and those 4 other directions are called subdirections. In the picture, between north and east, there is northeast subdirection. Between north and west, the subdirection is northwest. Between south and west, subdirection is southwest. Between south and east, subdirection is southeast. So 4 cardinal directions are east, west, north, and south. And 4 subdirections are northeast, northwest, southwest, and southeast. If we stand facing towards the sun, then on our back is west. The sun rises in the east. If we stand facing towards the sun, then in front of us is east, and on the back is west. Towards our left hand side is north, and towards our right hand side is south. Compass. Compass is an instrument which looks like a watch. In the picture you can see this is a compass. It looks like a watch. And this compass is used to find the directions. You can see in the picture all the 8 directions, 4 cardinal and 4 subdirections are mentioned on the compass. And the compass needle always rests in the north direction. Next chapter is 13, national symbols. So every country has its symbols, and those symbols are called the national symbols of that particular country. In this chapter, we will discuss the national symbols of India. National symbols are very important for any country because national symbols of India, they represent the rich culture of India. They tell us our culture is so glorious. They make us feel proud. National symbol make us feel proud because every national symbol has some significance. National symbols represents the unique identity of India. जो हमारे national symbols हैं वो हमें unique बताते हैं, बाकियों से अलग करते हैं. They tell us that we are unique. Some national symbols are here: national flag, national emblem, national reptile king cobra, national river Ganga, national currency rupee, national tree bargat, banyan, national fruit mango, national bird peacock, national bird lotus, and national animal tiger. Other national symbols are national aquatic animal is Gangetic river dolphin, national heritage animal is elephant. Our national song is Vande Mataram, which is written by a famous Bengali poet Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. And our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana, which is written by famous poet and playwright Rabindranath Tagore. Now, I will tell you significance of some of these national symbols. Our flag has three colors: saffron at the top, white in the middle, and green at the bottom. And there is a Ashoka Chakra. Every color represents a different, every color has different significance. Ashoka Chakra has 24 spokes. It tells us that we should work continuously, 24 hours. Second is national emblem. There are 4 loins in our national emblem. In this picture, only 3 loins are visible. The 4th loin is at the back, which is not visible. All these 4 loins, they have significance. One loin represents power, second loin pride, third loin courage, and the 4th loin represents confidence. Satyamev Jayate is written at the bottom of our national anthem. On the right hand side, there is bull, and on the left hand side, there is horse. Ashoka Chakra is in the middle of the national emblem at the bottom. National reptile king cobra, because we worship this reptile, that is why it is called national reptile. Nag Panchami is there. So Nag Panchami is our religious festival. So this is the national reptile of India. Ganga is the national river. And peacock. National bird is peacock. The peacock is a symbol of grace and beauty. Next is national animal. National animal tiger is a symbol of strength, agility, and power. National flower lotus is a symbol of wealth, prosperity, and the purity and good fate also. National aquatic animal, Gangetic river dolphin is a national animal because this shows that the water of Ganga is pure. Only then this dolphin can survive in the water. Dolphin survives in the pure water, which shows that water of river Ganga is pure. National song Vande Mataram, written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, and national anthem Jana Gana Mana, written by famous poet Rabindranath Tagore. So this was all. Thank you.